I'm Kelly with the SuburbanSoapbox.com, and today we are making the Orange Crush cocktail. This is my favorite drink for summer. It's made with just a couple ingredients that you probably already have, and it whips up in a matter of seconds. The history of the Orange Crush cocktail is kind of up in the air. Some say that it originated at a bar in Ocean City, Maryland, but there are plenty of bars in New Jersey that also say that they created the Orange Crush cocktail. I get mine at 2 Mile Landing every summer, and it is my favorite way to kick off the summer and also carry on the summer. So let's make one right now. So to start our Orange Crush cocktail, we are going to need orange flavored vodka, and it's completely fine if you have regular vodka, but I prefer to use the orange, and that's tradition. Triple sec, which is an orange flavored liqueur, and you can also use Cointreau or Grand Marnier if you have that. Just any kind of orange flavored liqueur would work well here. And then some fresh squeezed orange juice. That is imperative. You never ever ever make an Orange Crush with store-bought orange juice. Fresh squeezed all the way, and really it doesn't take a ton of orange juice, so you just need a little splash of it. And then lemon lime soda, anything you want, 7-Up, Sprite, your generic lemon lime soda, whatever is your favorite. So you're going to fill your glass with ice, and crushed ice works best here. It's a big lump of ice here. We'll just use that. And then you're going to add about 1 to 2 shots of orange vodka. That was weird. 1 to 2 shots of triple sec. Splash of orange juice. And then you're going to top it off with your lemon lime soda. I like to garnish it with a fresh orange slice. And then you're just going to stir it all together. I have a straw here. You can use a cocktail stir. I would use a fancy cocktail stir, but mine vanished in the house by someone that lives here, I guess. That's why I can't have nice things. And then sip. It tastes like summer in a glass. So fruity. I can't stop drinking it. Winter or summer, this is the must-have cocktail for any party or occasion. Simple, easy, crisp, refreshing. All the flavors are there. You have got to try this. For the full recipe and more easy cocktail recipes, visit the SuburbanSoapbox.com. And if you like this video, please be sure to share it. Cheers!